Yan sa'yo yung cookies dyan, no? Sa may takip.
Hi! I forgot
Biscuit ni
my...
Caitlyn.
This is part 2. Oil.
Isang taklaw na biscuit yan eh.
Okay, I'm done. I like broccoli. Here you go.
Halika na,
And then I'll let you taste the corn. Yeah. I got my old kitchen set because I'm gonna put egg. I'm gonna cook egg, okay? I'm just gonna show it to you later. Okay, here's your order, man. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. Just finish it, okay? Bye. Bye.